Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to put pictures in TikTok comments. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the video that you want to comment in a picture form. I can select this video, so you can now tap on comments icon at the middle right of the screen that is below to the likes option. Tap on comments and here you can tap on add comment, and after tapping on add comment you can see the one more option that is gallery. In my app, the gallery option is not shown because I am not updating the latest version of TikTok. If you are not seeing the gallery or pictures option, you can just simply update the TikTok latest version in your app store or play store, and after this you can tap on the pictures icon here and you can just simply select the photo that you want to comment in a video, and it is a way you can put pictures in TikTok comments. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.